So hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm back on a new video, and today we have a draw famous YouTuber, and today is the last YouTuber. I love all the YouTubers I have drawn. Lil Simzy, Vexel, Cartoon Club How to Draw, Jazza, all of them are very nice and very powerful YouTubers. And I'm gonna to leave the playlist link in the description box to check it up to see all my favorite YouTubers drawn by me. Today, the last YouTuber, Nadiaxel. Yeah? So today I'm gonna draw a very good and a very powerful YouTuber artist and a very good Instagram artist, Nadiaxel. She is very good. The style, her art style is very nice. I wish I can draw like her. Like she have a very good art style to display a character or something. A very nice one. Yeah, I'm going to leave the channel link in the description box to check it out. Okay, also guys, if you want to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook, I'm gonna to leave the links in the description box down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because you will make me so happy. And if you enjoy this video, please like and share it to your friends. Okay, after this section I'm gonna to keep a very big prize for everybody. I'm gonna make a how-to section whereby I'm going to give tips and advices because I love this section, and it will be containing 6 videos. I feel we need to have like a new section every 6 videos. The art challenges will stay the same because I love this section, art challenges. Like we'll have an art challenges every between in each video. Yeah, okay, so here we go. As you see, I feel this is the best I can do. I'm so sorry for Nadiaxel, but I love it. Like I love this piece and I love everything in it. Like the eyes, I'm using now a very thin pen. Please don't judge. I'm using a very thin pen. You know, when I draw Vexel, I have used a very thick one, and now I'm using a very thin one. I don't know what happens to me. Anyway, let us go. So now we will go to see it together in my digital coloring process. I don't keep processes because I don't want to make the video too long and I don't want to make the video too short. Yeah, so let us go to see the final results together. I actually like my camera is the setting of the camera is wrong somehow, but this is the whole art. Okay, let's see. So as I told you, I remove all the background issues and then I go to color. Let's go 1, 2 and 3. So here we go. This is the final result. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video, and bye.